Hey everyone, I hope everybody's having a great day. So we're going to talk about classifying rational numbers. So when we talk about classifying rational numbers, as you can tell, I have a diagram with different arrows going to different spots. Here's why. There's three different types of ways to classify rational numbers. One is whole. The other one is integer. And the last one is rational. Now, when you have these, we're going to talk specifically about each one of them. So let's get started. With whole numbers, those are always positive numbers. They're positive number always. So this does include the number 0. So it's going to go from 0 to whatever number that you want it to go, or to infinity. That is what that little sign is. It's infinity. But remember that it's always positive. So let's go from there. Our next one is an actual integer. Now an integer can be negative, but I don't want you to confuse that a whole can also be an integer. It's positive and negative. So the reason I say that, if you revert back to our first one, the integers actually surround the whole numbers. So it's the same exact thing. Just be mindful that even if you have an integer, it could be a 1 or a negative 1. Either one works, but please make sure that you understand that. Now, let's talk about rational numbers. Now, with rational numbers, they can be a decimal or a fraction, and also they can also be negative, because if you look, a rational number covers up a integer. So be aware that you can have a negative. So you might have a negative 1/4 and a positive 1/4. Either one. You just need to make sure that you can have both of those. Now, if there's any questions, please let me know. I'm actually going to do another recording about repeating and terminating decimals. The end.